Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Royer. This is a video, so you can see and hear me, but I cannot see and hear you. Today, we're going to read a book called Keep Counting, Cuenta, Cuenta. Now, you'll see that there's something funny going on in this picture. Do you see that? So, to fix that, I'm going to have to turn off my virtual classroom, and I'll do that in just a moment. And I'm going to tell you why that's happening. So this book, Keep Counting Cuenta Cuenta, is similar to the one we read the other day called Changes Changes. And the reason it's similar is both books do not have any words. Changes Changes does not have any words, and Keep Counting Cuenta Cuenta does not have any words. So before I get reading, let me tell you why the picture is doing that weird thing. So to make this virtual classroom in my house, I use something called a green screen, which is just a pop-up piece of green fabric. So it's got like a hula hoop in it to make it stay out like a circle. And then it's just a piece of green fabric that's stretched. Now my computer takes everything green and takes that out of the picture and replaces it with this virtual classroom. Well, the problem with that is when you have a picture with things that are green, it takes those out too. So you can see it took out the leaves of the trees and it took out the grass in the park. It even took out over here some truck, somebody's shirt, right? Oh, he was blue, but taking him out a little bit too. So to fix that, I'm just gonna have to turn off my virtual classroom. All right, you ready? And 3, 2, 1, boop, it's gone. So there's the green piece of fabric. You can see it's on a hoop. Okay. That's how I put the virtual classroom in. And now that I've turned it off, all the green color has come back. So that's why that happened. Okay, so let's read Keep Counting, Cuenta, Cuenta, except you don't need to know how to read. You only need to know how to count. So let's see if we can count high enough. You need to be able to count to 10 to read this book. And I know you can do it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it. So you are ready to read the book, Keep Counting, Cuenta, Cuenta. So in this book, we're going to count how many buildings we see. How many buildings? None, right? So we can say 0. And here's the numeral 0. That was an easy one. How many buildings do you see? 1. So here's the numeral 1. 1 building. Now the park is down here too, but that's not a building. We're only counting buildings. Let's count again. 1, 2. Numeral 2. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Numeral 3. Doing great. Let's count some more. You know what? Let me get a pencil for pointing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numeral 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numeral 5. I feel like I have a sneeze tickling my nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numeral 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numeral 7. My pencil almost rolled off the table, but I caught it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numeral 8. Does anybody remember how high we were going to count? To 10, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Numeral 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numeral 10. So we've counted all the buildings, and now here are the numerals. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. So that was keep counting, cuenta, cuenta. I'm going to switch on my classroom again like magic. Boop. There it is. All right, boys and girls, good to see you today. I'll see you next week. Adios.